How to upload digital products on Beacons.ai. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload digital products on Beacons.ai. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Beacons.ai, you could also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Beacons.ai, it is an innovative platform designed primarily for content creators, enabling them to build customizable link in bio website that aggregate various links and monetization options, in which Beacons offer a set of tools that include a website builder, email marketing capabilities, and an online store, all powered by artificial intelligence. And creators can easily set up their pages using drag-and-drop interface, allowing for a mobile-first experience, which is essential given that a significant portion of users build their sites from smartphones. And now to create an account, you could also click the link in the description, or alternatively, just click the sign up button on the top right corner and sign in using your email and Google account. And after that, you will be directed on this homepage of Beacons.ai. And it will show you in the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating via your home, link in bio, website, email marketing store, media kit, referrals, and many more. And now to start uploading digital products, all you need to do is simply go to this store. And below here under My Products, just proceed by clicking Create a Product, Digital Product in here. Then just click this Let's Go button to introduce the product builder. Then you will now be able to be directed in here where you can start building or customizing this template. We have here different kind of section. You could also change the design of your page and other elements that you can find in here. And now to proceed, we can simply click to any of these elements including this title. And in the right side panel, we can simply customize this product title depending on your preferences. For example, I'm going to enter here Canva logo template. So this is basically the name of my digital product that I'm selling. And for this image, by clicking this one, on the right side panel, we can simply upload the images of the logo that we're selling. By clicking this add image, it will show us in here, and we can simply choose or select from my media, my posts, stock images, GIFs, AI image generation. But you could also upload an image in here directly from your computer files. And I'm going to choose to upload that image from my computer files, and after that you'll now be able to see here that the image is now been uploaded on this page. And from here you could also start customizing the size of it, such as this custom 1:1 to make it 3:2, 16:9, and even 3:1. Then just proceed by clicking the accept button below to proceed. Then you will now be able to see here that the images is now been added and changed. So I'm going to delete the previous image by clicking this X button right here. Then click delete. And aside from that, we can also change some of the context including this description by clicking this one. It will automatically show us on the right side panel that we can start customizing this context. So instead of this get my template today, I'm going to enter here get my limited edition logo today. And aside from that, you could also change some other context that you prefer in here, and even change to make it bold, italic, or even underlined. Or you could also generate using AI by simply clicking this generate with AI for free. And on this pop-up window, just enter the keywords and also the tone of voice in here. Now going back on this page, aside from that, we could also start customizing some other details. Such as, for example, we're going to customize the design of it by simply clicking this design option on the top left corner. It will show us on the sidebar that we can simply choose different kind of layouts. We have your original, landscape, dynamic, on how your template or layout looks like. And let's say in those options, I'm going to choose this dynamic, in which this is basically what the customer will see if they try to purchase our product. And also you can customize this color by clicking this colors option, where you can change depending on this color palette that you choose in here. So for instance, in those option of color palette, I'm going to choose this one right here. And it will show you on the right side panel how it looks like. Moving on to these fonts, you could also change to customize the fonts of some of these text. And after that, we can now proceed in here, where you could also start customizing the prices in this button. But before that, let's start customizing this price. From here, you could also set the price, pay what you want, make on sale, or make product free. I'm going to choose to set the price, and below I'm going to choose to enter the prices, which is $4.99. And for the currency of it, which is US dollar, but you could also change it depending on your preferences. And aside from that, below here, as you can see, you would also connect your Stripe to use this feature, which is enable payment plan. And below, you could also add a discount code if you want to, by entering here the code and also the discount percentage. And now that we successfully customized the prices, we can now proceed by customizing this button, which is buy now. So instead of buy now, I'm going to enter here to customize into get now. And upon changing the logo text, it will show you that it has now been changed. And if you're now done, you can now proceed by clicking the checkout section on the top panel. By clicking this one, we will automatically be directed in here, in which we can start customizing some of the field in here in order for the customer to fill out before buying our product. You could also add here another field. We have here phone number, location, birthday, and even custom one. For instance, I'm going to add here phone number, and it will show you that you could even make it required, and it will now successfully added in our form. And below, it will show you the subtotal and the total amount that you need to pay for these digital products. And now under this success screen section, it will show in here what the customer will see update they try to purchase our product. So you could also customize here the thank you message. And for instance, I'm going to customize this into hoping your positive response. And aside from that, by clicking this text, a copy will be sent to, it will show us in here on the right side panel under product files that we also need to upload a file in here, or even add a URL on this page, in which this is the file where the customer will receive after they check out. So you can simply upload here the files, and it will show you in here what it looks like. And by uploading a URL or adding a URL in here, let's say I'm going to add here a URL from our canva.com. So let's say I'm going to choose this kind of project, and we're going to simply share this via link. And to do that, from here, just proceed by clicking the share button on the top right corner, and upon clicking on it below, just proceed by clicking or choose under this collaboration link. Only you can access, or anyone with the link in here, which is can edit. And after copying the link, just go back on this page right here and kindly enter here or paste the URL, and also change the name of this URL. For instance, I'm going to enter here a link to my logo, then click add URL button to proceed. As you can see, we have now successfully uploaded the files and also add a link in here. So now to proceed, we could also start customizing the email receipt by simply clicking this email receipt button right here or section. It will show us the process or what the customer will receive after they purchase our product. We have here this email receipt that contain all of these details. And after that, we could also start requesting a review if you want to. After this email receipt, by clicking or navigating to turn on this request reviews. If you're now done, it will show in here on the top panel your URL, where they can be directed on our product page. Or alternatively, you could also publish this one by clicking this publish button on the top right corner. And after publishing this, you'll now be able to see here under your store the digital products that we just uploaded in here. So if you try to click this one right here or this icon, will automatically be directed on this product page, in which it is basically what the customer will see if they try to purchase our product. And upon clicking this get now button, we will automatically be directed on this page, where all we need to do is simply fill out this required information so that we can purchase these digital products. So overall, that is just basically how you can upload digital products on Beacons.ai. Thank you.